Ever wonder what the most common bacteria in soil might be? The answer is Bacillus bacteria. This group of bacteria is not only found in soil but also in water, air, and dust. They've mastered the art of survival, making them one of the most adaptable and resilient bacterial forms on our planet. Not limited to one or two types, Bacillus bacteria boast a diverse range of species, each with unique characteristics and roles. Some are harmless, while others can cause diseases. Some even have the ability to form endospores, a kind of dormant stage that allows them to survive in harsh conditions. It's this fascinating versatility that makes Bacillus bacteria a subject of great interest and study. From their structure to their functions and types, there's a lot to explore and understand about these microscopic beings. Bacillus bacteria are fascinating, and we're about to dive deep into their world. Bacillus bacteria are not like your average bacteria. They're a unique group of microbes that take on a fascinating rod shape, almost like tiny capsules. This shape, while simple, is part of what sets these bacteria apart, giving them the ability to move around their environment with ease. But their shape is only the beginning. Bacillus bacteria are also gram-positive. Now you might be wondering, what does gram-positive mean? Well, it's a term used to describe bacteria that have a thick peptidoglycan layer in their cell walls, which retains a violet stain in the gram staining process. This thick layer not only gives them their purple hue under a microscope, but also provides an added layer of protection against external threats. Now let's delve deeper into the world of Bacillus bacteria. One of their most notable features is their ability to form endospores. These are like tiny, super resilient survival pods that the bacteria can form under harsh conditions. When the going gets tough, Bacillus bacteria can retreat into these endospores, protecting themselves from heat, radiation, chemicals, and even time itself. Once conditions improve, they can spring back to life, as good as new. This endospore-forming ability is not just a neat trick, it's a survival mechanism that allows Bacillus bacteria to endure in environments where other bacteria simply cannot. From boiling hot springs to the freezing cold of the Arctic tundra, you can find these hardy little microbes thriving where others would perish. But don't let their toughness fool you. Bacillus bacteria are not just survivors, they're also incredibly versatile. They can break down a range of organic materials, helping to decompose dead plants and animals and recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. Some species even have beneficial roles in our own bodies, aiding in digestion and immune function. So when you think of Bacillus bacteria, think of them as the superheroes of the bacterial world. With their unique rod shape, gram-positive nature, and the power to form endospores, they're equipped to take on challenges that would make other bacteria crumble. These characteristics make Bacillus bacteria incredibly resilient and versatile. Bacillus is not a one-size-fits-all kind of bacteria. The wonderful world of microbiology is filled with variety, and the genus Bacillus is no exception. Let's dive into the fascinating diversity of this genus, starting with Bacillus anthracis. This is the bad boy of the Bacillus family, and it's known for causing the disease anthrax. Now don't let this scare you off. Even though Bacillus anthracis can be harmful, it's not very common. And it's helped scientists understand a lot about how bacteria can affect our health. This bacteria forms spores, which are tough, dormant forms that can survive in harsh conditions. When these spores find their way into a suitable host, they wake up and can cause illness. Next on our Bacillus journey is Bacillus cereus, a bacterium that's often found in soil and food. This one is a bit of a trickster. It can sometimes cause food poisoning, but it's not all bad. Bacillus cereus also has beneficial properties. For instance, it can promote plant growth and even help in the bioremediation of polluted environments. Last, but certainly not least, is Bacillus subtilis. This bacteria is a powerhouse in the world of biotechnology. It's used in various industries from agriculture to pharmaceuticals for its ability to produce enzymes and antibiotics. Bacillus subtilis is also a model organism in the lab, helping scientists understand bacterial genetics and cellular processes. These are just 3 examples from the Bacillus genus, but they demonstrate the broad range of roles these bacteria play in our world. From causing disease to promoting plant growth, from cleaning up pollution to helping us make medicines, Bacillus bacteria are incredibly versatile. So, the next time you think of bacteria, remember that they're not all the same. There's an amazing diversity of life at the microscopic level, and every species plays a part in the grand tapestry of life. Each type of bacillus has its own unique role, contributing to the vast biodiversity we see on our planet. Bacillus bacteria aren't just hanging around for no reason. No, indeed, these microscopic beings have roles so diverse and significant that they might just leave you in awe. Let's start with their role in the environment. Bacillus bacteria are often referred to as the workhorses of nature. These bacteria play a crucial part in the decomposition process, breaking down organic material into simpler substances. This decomposition not only helps to recycle nutrients in the environment but also enriches the soil, aiding plant growth. Talk about being nature's little helpers. Moving from the soil to the sea, Bacillus bacteria also play an essential role in the marine ecosystem. They help to break down dead organic matter, releasing nutrients back into the water which support the growth of phytoplankton, the base of the marine food chain. So, in a way, these bacteria are supporting the entire marine ecosystem. But Bacillus bacteria aren't just environmentally friendly, they also play a crucial role in human health. Some species like Bacillus subtilis and Bacillus coagulans are used as probiotics. These probiotics can aid digestion, support immune health, and even help manage certain disorders like irritable bowel syndrome. Bacillus bacteria also have a significant role in the medical field. Bacillus calmette-guerin, a live but weakened strain of Bacillus bacteria, is used in the BCG vaccine to prevent tuberculosis. This vaccine has saved countless lives since its development in the early 20th century. However, as with most things in life, not all Bacillus bacteria are beneficial. Some species can cause diseases. Bacillus anthracis, for instance, is the culprit behind the severe disease anthrax, which affects both humans and animals. Bacillus cereus, on the other hand, is known for producing toxins that can cause food poisoning, but don't let this scare you away. Remember, even though some Bacillus bacteria can cause disease, many more play beneficial roles, and the harmful ones are usually the exception, not the rule. The roles of Bacillus bacteria extend even further. They are used in industrial applications like the production of enzymes, antibiotics, and even insecticides. They are also being explored for their potential in biofuel production. The possibilities seem endless with these versatile bacteria. So whether they are enriching our soil, supporting our health, saving lives with vaccines, or even causing a bit of mischief, Bacillus bacteria are undeniably essential players in our world. They may be invisible to the naked eye, but their impact is far from small. From harmful pathogens to helpful probiotics, Bacillus bacteria truly do it all. So the next time you think of bacteria, remember they're not just germs, they're microscopic beings with roles as diverse as the bacteria themselves. Today we've journeyed into the microscopic world of Bacillus bacteria. We've explored the nooks and crannies of these tiny, rod-shaped organisms that inhabit our world in ways we can barely imagine. We've learned about their fascinating characteristics. Remember how we talked about their ability to form endospores? These tough, resistant structures allow Bacillus bacteria to survive even in the most inhospitable environments. And let's not forget their gram-positive attribute, making them easy to identify under a microscope with a simple staining process. We also delved into the different types of Bacillus bacteria. From Bacillus anthracis, the culprit behind the deadly disease anthrax, to Bacillus subtilis, a harmless inhabitant of our gut flora, these bacteria truly showcase the diversity of life at a microscopic level. Importantly, we've examined the crucial roles these bacteria play. Some Bacillus bacteria are known to be pathogenic, causing diseases in humans and animals. But many others are beneficial, playing essential roles in our ecosystems. Bacillus thuringiensis, for instance, is extensively used in agriculture due to its insecticidal properties. Moreover, Bacillus bacteria are key players in industrial processes. They are used in the production of enzymes, antibiotics, and even probiotics. Their ability to break down a variety of organic compounds makes them valuable in waste treatment as well. This intricate microscopic world of Bacillus bacteria is a testament to the complexity of life on our planet. It's a world that is invisible to our naked eyes, yet it profoundly influences our lives in countless ways. Understanding Bacillus bacteria helps us appreciate the complexity of life on a microscopic scale. So let's keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep feeding our curiosity. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of our world. And as we continue this journey of discovery, we invite you to be a part of our growing community. Remember to subscribe and like our channel for more intriguing insights into the microscopic world. Stay curious.